Hi there. Today's video is about something I think so many of us can relate to, and it's about being blind to our own brilliance. My belief is that everybody came with a brilliance, something that we're great at, and it came with our creation. And yet so many of us seem to find it hard to know what that is, to see what that is, and to own what that is. We may be brilliant. I think many of us are actually brilliant at knowing what our faults are, knowing what's wrong with us, knowing what our flaws are, and knowing where our weaknesses are. So many of us are real experts at that. What we're not so good experts at is knowing what we are actually brilliant at. And even if we know that, we may have lots of programming and beliefs and conditioning that says, well, we mustn't brag about it, we mustn't be proud of it, we have to play it down. But I have a belief, and it comes from A Course in Miracles, this idea of grandeur, that there is a grandeur in each of us, that there are gifts and talents and a brilliance that's in each of us that's kind of God-given, if you like it. As I said, it comes with our creation. There's a lovely poem that you may have heard by Robert Burns. It's only 2 or 3, 4 lines long. I'll just share it with you. It says, "Oh, would some power the gift to give us, to see ourselves as others see us. It would from many a blunder free us." I just love that, because how many of us get into all sorts of shenanigans because we simply don't see what we're good at. So here's a tip for you. This is something I've done a few times, and I really encourage a lot of coaching clients to do, is to pick half a dozen, 8 people from your community, your vicinity that you know, like and trust, and ask them clearly, what do they think you're brilliant at? What is naturally what you're good at and you're brilliant at? And just ask that simple question. Don't frame it, don't explain why, but have the courage to ask other people that question. And I can almost guarantee you that you will be surprised by the answers. Whenever I've asked that question, what people have told me is not what I thought they would tell me, and I've learned so much about myself because I've asked that question to some people. So that's the question. Be willing to ask other people what they see your brilliance as being.